Hello guys! Welcome to the first lesson of the course, Facebook Video Marketing Hero. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what is video marketing. Let's get started. People are drawn to watching videos. It catches their attention, especially if it's entertaining and interesting to watch. People would spend more than 30 minutes of their time watching videos rather than reading a 100-page ebook. Videos are engaging content that people prefer to view instead of reading the long text of articles just to understand its content and purpose. Most people spend time on the internet watching videos that are entertaining and educational. Watching videos are the easiest to consume and understand the content. Video marketing is a way to promote your products, services, or brand using video content. Brands who spend time, effort, and money to produce videos that will create brand awareness to their potential customers are more likely to get their target audience's attention, which leads to conversion and sales. Video marketing is common in social media. In every platform, you will see videos appear in users' feeds, and there are greater chances of videos being clicked on as people browse their feeds. Also, you will see brands promote video content as their marketing strategy to create curiosity in their potential customers. Videos can also be seen as stories, like in Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat. There are different types of video content that you can use as your marketing strategies. First is demo videos. These videos work great if you are promoting your products to your potential audience. Once the user sees the benefits of the products and how it can make their lives better as they use your product, then they're more likely to purchase your product as soon as possible. People are eager to buy something if they see it shown on videos. Testimonial videos. These types of videos are best used if you want to let people know that more people have purchased and used your products. The reviews are helpful for potential and new customers since they will be reassured that people are satisfied with your products and services. How-to videos. These videos are commonly used as customers prefer it when it comes to following a step-by-step process. If they purchased your product or they are still looking for products in the same niche as your business that they want to buy, then having how-to videos will make your brand stand out among your competitors since you're helping your potential or new customers how to use your product. Explainer videos. These videos are used to explain products or services to your viewers. The content might contain texts or captions to point out the important sections of your video. Most videos are animated to make it more enticing to watch. Video marketing can help create brand awareness with potential customers as they watch promotional videos of your products. It's an effective way to catch your potential audience's attention. People will trust your brand when they see videos that you produce featuring the products and services that you offer. Now that you know what video marketing is, we can now proceed to the next topic. Why should you do marketing on Facebook? I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about why should you do video marketing on Facebook? Let's get started. Facebook has over 2 billion users and is considered as the biggest social media platform today. Active users on Facebook spend more time watching live videos compared to uploaded video content. There are more than 80% of marketers who promote their brand on Facebook using video marketing. 49% of consumers engage more with brands that promote their videos on Facebook. Taking into consideration these statistics will let you know Facebook's huge market that your brand can jump into as people see your brand's video marketing promotions inside the platform. Videos are one of the most accessible and widely viewed media, especially on Facebook. People can easily understand what your content is all about as they click on the play button. Now let's take a look at some reasons why you should use video marketing on Facebook. First, video marketing boosts conversions. Videos that promote your products, like unboxing videos, explainer videos, or new product launch videos, are more likely to convert potential customers into your regular customers. People can't see your products in person, So, creating videos that will let them see and experience the unboxing or how your products are used and explaining the benefits of using the products will make them feel the urge to buy your products. In an instant, most viewers would make a purchase decision right after watching the video, increasing your sales. Next, creates brand awareness. Your regular customers can share your video content, and as they share the video on their Facebook account, their friends will be able to view that video they shared. More and more people can view your video content as people continuously share it, like, and engage in the comment section until it gets viral. The people who are out of your network will easily find out that your brand exists, and if they love your video, they will eventually follow your brand, check out your products, and later become your regular customers. Next, builds trust. Consumers prefer to purchase products from brands they can trust. If they see your videos, they can go to your page and check out if you have more content they can view. People want to avoid fraud, so if your brand has promotional videos, it can show people that they can trust your brand, and it removes doubt about purchasing from you. Video marketing explains everything in just a few minutes. Using video content, you can easily tell a story. Storytelling in video marketing is helpful to make people understand what your product is all about, understand the pain points of your customers who can benefit from your product, and how this product can contribute to their lives. Promoting your brand, your products, and services using video marketing is essential for your business. Use Facebook to get more video views and engagement as you promote your products organically. Now that you know why should you do video marketing on Facebook, we can now proceed to the next topic, monetizing options for your Facebook videos. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about monetizing options for your Facebook videos. Let's get started. Video creators can earn revenue through the videos they promote on their Facebook pages. This provides opportunities for creators to earn from using Facebook's platform, like creators on YouTube do earn on its platform. Facebook announced this update last 2019, attracting creators to make use of the platform more often that also give monetization opportunities to its creators. There are different monetizing options for creators. First, go to your Creator Studio. There have been changes in Creator Studio, helping creators manage posts and monetize their posts. Also, you may notice the addition of insights and video retention on Creator Studio. With Creator Studio, you'll see the feed activity and content from all your pages. On the left menus, click on Insights. Taking a look at this insight, you'll be able to see how your posts are performing. As you can see, we have no paid posts yet. Under Retention, you may see where your views are coming from. You'll see the views from recommendations, followers, and shares. When you click on Next, you'll be able to see the average time people spent watching. Next, you can track your attention and see how long people are watching. Then the audience retention curve in this section of each video will show you when your viewers stopped watching your videos. You can even see it in detail as you click on it. When you click on the monetization menu, you'll be able to see the different monetization tools so that you can earn money on Facebook. First, you need to meet the page eligibility. As you can see, the pages here are not eligible yet for Facebook monetization. In this section, you have the option In-Stream Ads. These are short ads that you can include so that you can earn money. Click on View Criteria to see what criteria you need to meet. It recommends growing my page's followers, and the minimum criteria must be of 10,000 followers. The next recommendation is to make engaging content, 1-minute views for 3-minute videos. It says here that in the last 60 days, there is a need for 30,000 1-minute views on videos that are 3 minutes long. If you scroll down, you will see that in-stream ads are best for videos at least 3 minutes long, and the content is suitable for ads. Next is fan subscriptions. This option allows fans to support creators as they pay for a subscription fee for the creator's page. It gives the fans access to exclusive content and offers. Creators can choose the monthly price fee, and they can also create Facebook groups limited to those who pay for the subscription fee. Next is Brand Collabs Manager. This option allows paid partnerships with brands that want to collaborate on creating and sharing content with your audience. Click this link to view the criteria that need to be met. It recommends to grow your followers. The page must have a minimum of 1,000 followers and also make engaging content for this feature to be available for monetization. In this section, you will see the recommendations that you need. Under engagement, there must be 15,000 post engagements, 180,000 minutes viewed between all your videos, and 30,000 1-minute views on your 3-minute videos. When you scroll down, you will see that Brand Collabs Manager is best for creators with an active, loyal following, original photo, and video content creators, and page topics most brands won't see as risky. Facebook is catching up with YouTube's monetization opportunities for its creators. Not all can monetize their content right away. First, you need to grow your business page's followers and make engaging content so that your viewers can watch even the first 1 minute of your video. With the updates to Creator Studio, creators can easily manage other monetization products using one tool. Now that you know about monetizing options for your Facebook videos, you can now proceed to the next topic, Facebook videos versus YouTube videos. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about Facebook videos versus YouTube videos. Let's get started. Facebook is the biggest social media platform today, and YouTube is the biggest network for sharing video content. You might be faced with a question of where you should upload your video content between the two platforms. Let's take a closer look. Facebook videos has its own unique cues. We need to determine our goal and what kind of video we will be posting that suits well in the platform. If your goal is demographics and audience targeting, Facebook is your best option, while YouTube is best for marketing purposes. Each platform has their unique use for marketing. It is better to utilize and maximize both platforms rather than sticking to one platform. We must cater to the videos according to our goals for Facebook and YouTube. Before anything else, let's discuss the technicalities in videos. For counting views, Facebook counts the number of video views if the person stayed and watched for 3 seconds, while YouTube counts it as a view whenever people click on a video and load it up. Regarding creativity, Facebook videos must be very catchy in the first 3 to 10 seconds of the video because what your potential viewers do is that they just browse their feed looking for something entertaining. Catchy videos will make your viewers stop and watch your video. On YouTube, you must make the video creative, educational, and entertaining throughout the whole video because most viewers go to YouTube with the intent of learning and being entertained. If your videos are short, it is better to post on Facebook. But if it's a long video series, YouTube is the better platform. Facebook videos must be digestible. Remember that people in social media have a short attention span. Let's take a look at different goals. For increasing your video views, Facebook is a better option for this because Facebook is a platform that is meant for socialization. Your videos are more likely to spread and get more views. If a viewer liked your video, his friends are going to see that video that he liked on their feed. They can see it, but they can just scroll down again to browse their feed and not engage. YouTube videos can get more video views as people search for topics matched to your video title, description, or tags. If your goal is quality watch time and better engagement, YouTube is the better choice of platform. People go to YouTube with the motive to learn and gain information from videos. They will search for videos they are interested in, and as they stumble upon your video and liked it, they will engage with your videos more. They can subscribe to your channel, read and click the links in your video description, and follow the call to action mentioned in your video. If your goal is marketing, Both have situational benefits. You can post organically both on Facebook and YouTube. With Facebook, you can widen your audience reach as you make use of Facebook ads. With YouTube, posting organically and choosing the right keywords that your target audience is searching for in search engines like Google will have a huge benefit for your business. There's a greater chance of people stumbling upon your video as your video gets in the search results in Google. If your goal is to educate people, YouTube is the best option. YouTube is the second largest search engine next to Google. Take note that Google owns YouTube, so everything asked or searched on Google, Google will give you search results related to your keywords. Remember that which among Facebook or YouTube that you choose to upload your content from will have an impact on the success of your views, engagement, and reach. On Facebook, people mostly browse their feed, and your videos can be seen on their feed. On YouTube, people are intentionally searching for videos that they want to watch. It's best to upload videos on both platforms. Take note that you must upload separately on the two platforms, even if it's the same video content. That way, you'll get more quality views and engagement. Now that you know about Facebook videos versus YouTube videos,
thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.